round, juicy fruits that are crunchy and very tasty. Banana! Banana! Bananas are long, yellow fruits that are soft, sweet, and full of energy. Cherry! Cherry! Cherries are small, round, red fruits that are juicy and very sweet. Dragon fruit! Dragon fruit! Dragon fruit is pink outside, white inside with tiny black seeds, and tastes refreshing. Elderberry! Elderberry! Elderberries are tiny purple berries that are juicy and often used in juices and jams. Fig! Fig! Figs are soft, sweet fruits filled with tiny seeds, and they taste like honey. Grapes! Grapes! Grapes are small, juicy fruits that can be green, purple, or red and grow in bunches. Honeydew! Honeydew! Honeydew is a big green melon that is very juicy, sweet, and refreshing. Jackfruit! Jackfruit! Jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world, spiky outside but soft and sweet inside. Kiwi! Kiwi! Kiwis are brown and fuzzy outside, but bright green, juicy, and sweet inside. Lemon! Lemon! Lemons are bright yellow, sour fruits full of vitamin C, used in juices and drinks. Mango! Mango! Mangoes are golden, juicy fruits called the king of fruits because they are so sweet. Nectarine! Nectarine! Nectarines are smooth, round fruits that are sweet and taste a lot like peaches. Papaya! Papaya! Papayas are big orange fruits that are soft, sweet, and very healthy for our tummy. Quince! Quince! Quince is a yellow fruit that smells nice and is used to make sweet jams. Raspberry! Raspberry! Raspberries are small, red fruits that are soft, juicy, and taste sweet and tangy. Strawberry! Strawberry! Strawberries are bright red fruits with tiny seeds outside, sweet and loved by kids. Tomato! Tomato! Tomatoes are round, red, and juicy fruits that we eat in salads, sauces, and soups. Watermelon! Watermelon! Watermelons are big, green outside, red inside, and full of sweet, juicy water. Chigua! Xigua! Xigua is another name for watermelon in China. Juicy and very refreshing.